Millsy's been on the job, and he's got half the face cut off. This gives us a look at the structure of the blade, which is very interesting. We're looking at the inside. This is a folded channel. This is a folded channel. We're looking for welds on the backs, and there doesn't appear to be any. When you look around the back, it becomes clear why. There's the channel. There's the next channel. And the bottom one. So, very interesting to see how the blade is made. Makes it tricky for reskinning because it's obviously been put together in a certain order, which means we have no access to welding the back of this where it is originally welded. So what we'll have to do is cut slots in this face to weld down on top of the stiffening channels or beams. So yeah, stay tuned. I'll get a look at it when Big Millsy gets the rest of the skin off. Try and catch him. He works so bloody fast, hard to keep up with each step. Just take a look between breaks. A whole lot of mud to dig out. So yeah, unfortunately this blade has worn the holes off the bottom, which makes this a much more expensive repair. As usual, if you catch these things earlier, it results in a much cheaper repair bill. But this plate is going to be very difficult to remove because it's all boxed in. So yeah, there's going to be a lot of work in rectifying that. But yeah, stay tuned and we'll see how it unfolds. So another quick look, and we've got the rest of the replaceable cutting edge taken off, and the blade face itself. Blade set out on the ground here, and you can clearly see the extent of the wear on the main supporting lower edge. That lower edge it's never designed to cut the dirt that carries the wear parts that cuts the dirt. So you can see here when the wear part has fallen off or worn through, that it has completely worn away the edge that holds the cutting edge. So this is the way it should look, and here you can see how badly worn it is. So unfortunately that means that probably the most of those little box windows are all going to have to be removed right along there to give access to this weld here, to remove that cutting edge up to a point where it can be matched in with good enough section remaining. So yeah, very badly worn and very unfortunately quite an expensive repair compared to simply putting on new cutting edge, a few bolts, versus lots and lots of cutting and welding and making new parts. But oh well, keeps us in work, so it's all good. So yeah, stay tuned and see the next stage. Some more cutting and gouging and grinding. So check back in a few hours. The clay is very hard to get out. It's like concrete. So lots of chiseling and digging. channel, channel, channel. So there we have it. Big Millsy's got the cutting edge cut off her. Quite a lot of cutting and messing around with all those pockets. Not a quick job, but that's the worn out bolt face removed. So see now about fabricating the new one, cutting it out, drilling it. Just not too sure at the moment what the next step is for it, but yeah. So whenever the new one's put on again, then I have to replace all these gussets and rebox the whole edge back in again. But it'll be a proper job. So yeah, check back another few hours, see the next step. So that's the top board removed, as per customer's request, probably for visual reasons, sight lines. He must have bought this machine and it has obviously came from another application, and he doesn't require the little overflow board on the top, so it's a taken off. So that's the new bottom edge put in place. So yeah, we'll check back in a while and see the next. So tomorrow I think he's going to roll the new skin, put it on. She should be nearly there. So this marks the end of the video, guys. Unfortunately I wasn't here the following day. I was at a show and I missed completion of the blade rebuild. He did however send me a photograph of the finished item, complete with the new Hardox 400 skin, which is an extremely tough, extremely abrasion resistant metal with a very long wear life. You can see it here, rolled and welded on in 3 sections. It's quite a hard material to work with as it's so strong and it doesn't like to be rolled or bent. But yeah, with the right machines we can have it fitted, and as you can see it turned out pretty good. So yeah guys, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, click subscribe and ring the bell. and give me a big thumbs up. Helps the channel grow. Appreciate your support, guys. Till the next one, stay safe. Over and out.